if you are someone who want to plan your day, plan your monthly expenditure, have a habit tracker but don't want to write it down, then this video is the perfect match for you. Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi Banik. I will be very grateful if you hit the bell icon below and also the subscribe button so that we stay connected and I keep feeling blessed for having you here every time I post a video. Diving into the video is all about how you can style up your one Excel sheet as your monthly planner, day planner, habit tracker on everything. Give me an overview layout of the whole January month of mine.
So firstly, you need to download your Google Sheet via your Play Store or your iStore. After downloading it, you need to open it and then click on the plus icon and then to the choose template. And here you will have all the templates that is necessary. For example, to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, etc. Let's dive into the video.
I don't know if it is making sense to you, but at the end of the video, everything will be crystal clear as I will input the pass. वो कैसे करना है क्या नहीं है from basics. So stay tuned for it. So let's dive into the points. So the first point would be monthly expenditure. You can use your Excel sheet to look after your monthly expenditure in one go.
For the first one, we need to click on the choose template and then click on the monthly budget template. This will take you to this graph. This graph will help you to see your monthly budget in one shot. You can just look at it and you'll understand each and everything about your monthly expenditure. You can understand your graph, how it went, कितना saving हुआ, कितना पैसा गया, what was your start balance, what was your end balance, etc, etc. You can see everything. You can even edit it as per needed. You can edit the formulas, you can input the values directly. You can do whatever you need. But it may also mess up sometimes because it takes a bit more time. It is organized but you may mess it. The alternative option would be click on the plus new spreadsheet and it will open a new spreadsheet or Excel sheet. Then you need to write on the first thing in one cell, it is your February month, as I do. I'm telling you February month. Then the second one would be your payment or your start balance, whatever it is. For my case, I'll be writing start balance of 5,000. Then below down you can write your daily expenditures. I'll be writing my everyday expenditures in it. I write my everyday expenditure in my sheet. For example, if I have coffee, I write first is equal to coffee and then the price in the next cell. Similarly, you can do it for every day. This is more organized also and even बहुत easy है. In one go में हो जाएगा, उतना झंझट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You can even understand the things. And then at the end of the month, जब month का last day होगा, I take out the total amount कि कितना spend हुआ. Finally, at the end of the month, I take out the total amount of expenditure amount or the expenditure amount. For example, in this month I am assuming 2020 rupees. Then comes to the next point, that will be the savings part. For saving, you need to calculate it and write it down. Use Excel formula or you can use a simple calculator for it even.
It will help you in getting an overview of your expenses, your needful expenses, your waste expenses, or whatever you can say. So coming towards the second thing is a habit tracker. I personally do this a lot. मुझे इस पे बहुत भरोसा है. I always believe in the fact that 21 days. मतलब 21 days में कोई आदत बन भी सकता है, कोई आदत छूट भी सकता है. Yeah, I know it's a little bit filmy, but I genuinely believe in it because it works for me. So so you can also use an Excel sheet to style up your habit tracker.
For this we need to do a simple step, that is जो पहले ही शीट हम लोगों ने क्रिएट किया था उसके बगल में प्लस आइकन का क्लिक करके नया शीट क्रिएट कर देना. फिर उसका नेम चेंज कर देना ताकि कन्फ्यूजन ना हो. आई हैव चेंज द नेम इनटू हैबिट ट्रैकर फेब. फिर सेल्स में लिखना है हैबिट डेट और उसके बगल में डन और नॉट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल बी टेकिंग वन हैबिट दैट वुड बी वर्कआउट. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल बी टेकिंग द 28th of February and if it is done I will mark it green. And then in 21 में नहीं की हूँ then I will write not done या फिर not yet. And to mark it more specifically, when it is done I will color it into green and when it is not done I will color it into red. This will help you in getting more clarification. So after a month when all the dates are completed, we can take out the result. Though you can also see, देखने से पता चल जाएगा कितना marks red है, कितना green है, but still We can write down, for example, मैं लिखूंगी out of 20 days I have done 11 days. This was a solution for one. This was a solution for one habit. But if we want to see multiple habit, we want to track multiple habit, तो उसके बगल में एक कॉलम को छोड़ के we can track our habit to follow in the same procedure. That would be the result.
Coming towards the third point would be your daily expenditure. Means after a month, for example, you got your payment or you got your pocket money the month के पहले में मिल गया था, right? लेकिन उसके बाद वो कैसे उड़ जाता है, you don't have any data of it, right? At the end of the month, when you will not have money, you'll always feel, भाई कहाँ गया, कहाँ? Which I used to feel, but no, I don't feel it now because I keep a track. So basically, it will help you in keeping that record of where you have spent your money. So that लास्ट में जब नेक्स्ट महीना आएगा देन यू कीप इन माइंड कि नहीं पिछले महीना ज़्यादा हो गया था, इस महीने आई नीड टू सेव.
Maintaining your daily expenditure, you can open up your monthly expenditure sheet, then write in a cell the date of today's or the date which you want to note, and then expenditure, and then what have you spent. For example, I am writing for the date of 22, expenditure of it is coffee, this 20 rupees. Yes, I'm obsessed with coffee. And then I had a noodles, the price would be this much, and then the total. By calculating the total, I will add it in my monthly expenditure cell. In this way, you can maintain your daily expenditure and monthly expenditure in one sheet.
The next one would be you can set your goals of the month. ये 3 चीज़ें मुझे इस महीने में complete करना है by hook or by crook. I need to complete it and every morning उसको एक बार देखने से you will feel it. No, I need to do that. So this would help you in
to keep your motivation for the month. Basically, for this you need to create another sheet in the same sheet and name it as the goals of the month as I did, and then write in the cell goals and then set your goals. For example, I have written goals and then setting my goals. For example, shoot 12 videos and etc. etc. You can set your goals as per your convenience and need. After setting your goals, you can even rank them as importance. For example, you can even put the most important one the above and then proceeding. You can color the next cell. For example, I will color my most priority as red, and the next priority as yellow, and the next priority as green. You can choose your favorite colors while coloring it.
The next one would be bucket list. I know what is it, because everyone has their bucket list in their mind itself, but that's not important. If you note it down somewhere in a planner, in a notebook, or in your Excel sheet, if you look after it at the end of the day, you know you have some motivation to work tomorrow. So it's very important to write it down or to look after it every day so you get motivated to work tomorrow or study harder. What I do specifically is that I write note of the day. Yes, at the end of the day, when I open my sheet to mark up my to-do list, this have done, this has not done, I always keep a note of the day. Means ठीक है, मैं लिख के रख देती हूँ कि today this was a day, it was good, bad. I let my emotions come out. That is very important, very very important. Next thing would be the to-do list. To-do list helps you in keeping a track of how you're going, how your day is going specifically. You're wasting your day or being productive. Basically, तुमको बस सुबह उठना है, शीट खोलना है and write your things. Like for example, today first point I need to work out, second में I need to complete this chapter, I need to do those things, and at the end of the day जब ये सब हो गया तो उसके बगल में ग्रीन कलर का सेल मार्क कर दो. That's so simple. अगर नहीं हुआ तो रेड सेल मार्क कर दो और नेक्स्ट डे के लिए उसको शिफ्ट कर दो. That's so simple. It will help you in keeping the track of your day, कि how your day went, and at the end of the day. And believe me, at the end of the day, you will see that everything is completed. You will feel motivated for tomorrow. That's
To make your to-do list, you need to click on the plus icon and then to choose template and then to to-do list icon. This would be much more convenient and easier. You can see a sheet will be coming up. You can even edit the things. You can even put up your things as per needed. And you can add as many as you want. You can even uncheck the box or check the box. If you uncheck the box, it becomes normal, and if you check the box, it becomes an underline. That is means the thing is done. In this way, it will be very convenient.
And by chance अगर नहीं होता है एक भी काम, that's okay. You will feel a little bit demotivated. That's really common, but you need to set up, no, next day I'll complete those things. I always forget important dates, so it's very needful for me. I always write the things. For example, tomorrow I has a doctor appointment. I write the things. For example, birthdays. I always forget birthdays, so I write the things. So you can write down your important points or dates or important things or important reminder. For example, your meeting is there. That's all. You can even set up in your use your calendar or clock for giving you a reminder.
For setting up important days, we need to click on the plus icon and then we need to click on the appropriate calendar. There are 3 calendars available here: 2020, 19, 2020 and 2021. I'll click on the 2021 and edit my specific day as needed. So with this, we have come towards the end of the video. Hope you like it, and
I'll be super grateful if you hit the subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that we stay connected and I keep feeling blessed for having you here every time I post a video. See you next Sunday. Ta-da!